Dude, I was like,
Yeah,
So annoying.
This game?
Whenever I look straight
Reminds
at
me
it,
of
I
a
feel
scary
bad
movie
again.
long time ago called Birds.
Yeah.
Creepy.
That's funny.
The birds are like following me.
This game, fucking, like, they hack the shit out of this game. Like, people love to hack this game.
people love to hack any game.
No, but this one is, like, super
Never seen
vulnerable.
so many birds.
Sweet tits on Maserati. No, I'm gonna get away from this.
I don't think that you can. I think they're following you.
Yeah, they stick with you.
Fuck me sideways. Fuck you, zombie.
Oh, look, I
Do they
outran
just
them.
spawn where you are?
No, someone put them there.
You can dodge out of sight of them.
dodge out of sight of them.
Why would you
Ooh,
tell our
boats.
enemies that?
Yeah, I ran away. They're gone now.
Do the birds hurt?
No.
Your birds hurt.
Cristan, where the fuck are you?
I'm at the power lines, man.
Are you in Cherno?
No.